The biggest question today we have when we are going to record nature sounds is: what is the best audio recorder? In this video, we are going to see the basics of the Zoom H5 recorder, its functionality and its basic operation. You may be either already purchased new Zoom H5 recorder or looking to buy one and wanted to know more about it. It doesn't matter, whichever way, this video will help you to know more about Zoom H5 recorder. The Zoom H5 is a digital recorder. It's a piece of kit that's akin to carrying around a complete recording studio with you. It can record and store audio as a standalone device, or you can plug external mics into it and use it that way. You can also play back the audio on the device and upload it onto your computer via USB cable or memory card. Ideal for documentaries, podcasting, audio for video, and professional sound design, the Zoom H5 portable handheld recorder lets you quickly record up to 4 input signals simultaneously. 4 tracks of simultaneous recording and interchangeable mic capsules make the H5 flexible and powerful enough to meet the evolving needs of today's creators. X/Y capsule mic. The X/Y capsule mic is ideal for recording musical instruments, outdoor ambience, and is generally an all-around improvement over internal camera microphones. If you need a microphone that can reject ambient noise, you might consider using an external shotgun mic or one of Zoom's interchangeable shotgun mic capsules. Inputs. There are 3 inputs on the Zoom H5. Input 1 and 2 are XLR/TRS inputs. Located at the bottom of the H5, line in or L/R is a 3.5mm input, located on the right side of the X/Y microphone capsule. You can use any one or all 3 of these inputs at any given time dependent on your connecting microphone's output cable. Zoom H5 controls tutorial. Left side, line out jack. Use this 3.5mm output to send audio from the recorder to a camera or other device. If you want to save yourself the step of syncing the recorder and audio in post, you always have that option. Phone jack. Monitor your audio here. Don't forget to bring headphones to your shoot. Volume buttons. Use these to adjust volume of the line-out signal and the built-in playback speaker. On the back of the H5 USB port, this is useful for supplying plug-in power and saving some batteries on long recording sessions. The port can also be used to plug into the computer, effectively turning the H5 into an SD card reader or an audio interface. But remember, USB port cannot be used as a battery charger of the rechargeable batteries. Power hold switch. The hold to power feature makes sure you don't accidentally switch off the recorder in the middle of a recording, because to turn off on the unit, you will have to hold the button for 3 seconds. Zoom H5 controls tutorial. Right side. Mic line input jack. Located on the right-hand side of the X/Y mic capsule, this input receives 3.5mm microphone or receiver outputs. Remote jack. The remote is sold separately. To be honest, I'm not really sure if the wired remote would be the ideal option for any kind of recording, but it comes with a 10 meters long cable. Scroll button. This is used for selection of a menu items. Pushing up or down will switch between menu items, while pushing down will confirm your selection. Menu button. This opens the device menu on the display. SD card slot. The H5 does not read anything over 32 GB SD card. However, 32 GB will give you plenty of space for recording. Zoom H5 controls tutorial, front side. Interchangeable XY mic capsule. In case you missed it, the H5 supports a range of other attachments including a mono shotgun mic capsule, a stereo shotgun mic capsule, a mid-side mic capsule, and a capsule that supports 2 additional XLR/TRS inputs. If you need more than 3 inputs, the EXH6 capsule is a valuable purchase. XY mic input volume controller LR. The ideal volume gain will vary between devices and contexts. Just check the display to make sure the loudest sounds aren't peaking. Peaking or clipping will cause a distorted buzzing noise. Typically, I turn the dial until the average levels are reaching 12 decibels, which leaves room for any screaming, shouting, or clapping. Input volume 1, input volume 2, track buttons and indicators. A red light turns on when the track is selected. Stop, play, pause, back, forward, and rec button. Above the record button is a small red light that indicates the H5 is recording. Pressing the record button again will stop the recording. The stop button will also stop the recording. The play, pause, back, and forward buttons are used for playback. Zoom H5 controls tutorial, backside. Speaker. During playback, the built-in speaker is decent enough to make sure you are getting a signal, but I would not rely on its quality for picking up any unwanted noise. Like I said, bring your headphones. You don't want to get to post-production and realize there was some nasty buzz or Wi-Fi interference that you couldn't hear from the speaker. Battery cover. There is a small Saturn tab in the battery compartment that is helpful for carefully removing batteries that need to be replaced. The Zoom H5 is modular, rugged, and versatile, with great sound quality and dual XLR inputs. If that's all you need, the Zoom H5 would be a great investment. Thank you for watching. See you soon with another tutorial of this kind. Please share this video for someone like you to watch.